Today's removal of the hardtop of my 1964 Land Rover Series 2A was easier than expected. But it's a bit of a challenge to bring the hardtop down to the ground without a helper or a lift. For this step, I used the following tools. Randy's rear door is already removed. I started by climbing into the rear of the Rover and one by one removed the nut and bolt combinations that secured the bottom of the hardtop to the top of the tub windows. While still connected in the front, I slid a lifting strap around the rear of the hardtop and connected it to my engine hoist. Next, I moved to the front of the cab and one by one removed the nut and bolt combinations that secured the hardtop to the windscreen. There were 26 bolts removed in total. At this point, the hardtop is completely disconnected from the Rover, but now needs to be brought down to the ground. I raised the hoist a few inches, just enough to get separation between the hardtop and the tub windows. Finally, working from the front, I lifted the front of the hardtop and swung it around so it cleared the rear of the Rover, and I lowered the hardtop down to the ground. 30 minutes beginning to end.